Genesis, and today I am going to be doing this SnackCrate video that I promised you guys that I would be doing from my last video, my Q&A video. And today I also have an extra chair, and you're probably wondering where this chair is going to be going to. So the person who's going to be sitting in this chair, you guys probably recognize him from my 5-time spicy noodle challenge. It's going to be DJ Khaled. I'm just kidding, it's just my dad. So my dad, he's going to be coming with me to do the SnackCrate. This is his first time doing a SnackCrate unboxing video with me. And I don't know where it's from, and my dad doesn't know where it's from. So it's gonna be a surprise for both me and my dad. Here is my dad. Thank you, Dad, for being in another one of my videos.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. And you guys are probably wondering why we're wearing Patriots clothing.
Today's the Super Bowl.
Today is the Super Bowl.
What do we
So we're going to my cousin's.
We're gonna do the Super Bowl dance. How does it go? Let's go. What do we have here for today's session?
Let's let them see it first. So
what are we doing? SnackCrate?
Yep. So it's got, we don't, as I said, we both don't know where it's from. So you guys are gonna see the first look. Brazil.
It's from Brazil. Oh, Brazil, huh?
Brazil.
Pretty interesting.
And a lot of like famous soccer players live in Brazil. Like
I don't know any soccer players from Brazil, so don't even.
Ronaldo. See, look it right here.
Ronaldo. What?
I don't know how you pronounce it.
Ronaldo Casca. Shout out to you, Brazil. All right.
So let's say one fun fact about Brazil.
Fun fact. What do you have?
The word Brazil comes from the Portuguese word for Brazil wood, a tree that once grew plentifully along the Brazilian coast.
You know what I know about Brazil?
What?
I know that Snoop Dogg and Pharrell, shout out the video over there. You know what song? What's the song? Beautiful. I just want you to know. No?
Now, let's actually.
So what do we have here? I think you have to turn this around so they can see.
Oh, we did get the ruffles.
Fun fact is I love sweets.
I don't think
I'm gonna enjoy this.
So my dad's gonna pick out the first snack.
Let's do this.
You can pick anyone if you want.
What is
But
We're
gonna save the drink for last, and we also have 2 cups on the side just in case we gotta drink.
So we're gonna do this.
Yep.
Sabor quejío.
They look like
They look like Cheez-Its. I don't know. They don't.
No, they look like, they do smell like Cheez-Its.
They do. Smell like cheddar.
Yeah. They look like cat treats.
Is it really?
Yeah, they look like cat treats.
They look like Velveeta noodles. It's ready to throw in a pot and get boiled.
Ready?
Yeah. Salud.
Cheers.
Actually not bad. That's definitely do taste like cheddar.
At the end, they kind of taste like mozzarella sticks. At the end, kind of.
It's actually not bad.
I actually really like these.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna go with.
That's the Ruffles right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the Ruffles. They look exactly like Ruffles. They don't smell the best though.
They smell like
It smells like
vinegar for me. Like
no, it smells like the macaroni and cheese, the colons that I like for Thanksgiving.
Macaroni salad?
Yeah, that.
Is that really? Saludo.
Salud. 3, 2, 1.
Ah.
Oh.
What the hell? What is that?
Tastes like onions.
Churrascos. Yeah.
Wow.
Yo, that tastes so nasty.
So we're gonna do the drink now.
Oh, there you go. What's this? Oh, should be good because it's cherry. Can't go wrong with cherry.
We love Fanta, so.
So
Like the
Go
writing.
ahead.
Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. 3,
Salud.
2, 1. That's good.
Not bad. Can we keep this to the side right here? Like in hand's reach, so in case we
It looks like
get
apple
into-
juice, kind of.
Can we do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we got?
So these are chocolate tubes.
Oh, we got the 2-for-1?
It smells like caramel.
Yeah, it does. Oh, so those look like those sugar string things.
Smell it.
Oh, like caramel.
You like that side, I like this side.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2. That's chewy. I don't like it.
Don't like it? I don't like it either. I don't like it. Alright. Yeah, look at this over here.
You have to show the camera too.
Alright guys, what do we got? What are we gonna go for? Hey. This, el Oreo. This one should be normal,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, they're not like Oreos.
Oh, it has
I
the
don't
little
think.
individual packets.
No, they're not Oreos.
Mm,
They're like
really?
these. They're not Oreos, but they're like the.
What are you, the little shuffles, is it? No.
Yeah, it's like.
Wafers, is it wafers?
Yeah. That smells like an Oreo. Oh, so it's like an Oreo cookie
It's an Oreo cookie in a
in
wafer.
the inside, but no, like the outside, it's like the cream that's in the inside of an Oreo.
I see what you're saying.
Ooh.
These are good. It's like Oreo.
You could tell when he likes something when he gets another bite of it. I think, Daddy, which one was your least favorite? The Ruffles or?
No, I'll say the Ruffles. Ruffles is. I don't wanna be rude and say it's nasty,
It just wasn't good.
but it's nasty. The good side is gonna be the bad side.
Here's a good side.
Yeah, keep that over there.
I seen you open it. I've been staring at you. So you guys, I'm gonna go with this one. This one, you guys. So my dad loves almond joys, but I don't. And this is like a coconut, so I think he'll like it. That's why I chose it.
Is that almost like an almond?
Yeah, it's like a coconut, so I
What does it say though? Can you like read
It
it?
says Prestige
Prestigo.
coconut. Oh yeah, you could definitely smell the coconut.
You smell like dark chocolate. Is it dark chocolate? Ooh, coconut. Coconut's the best.
Ready? 3,
Yeah, okay. Another one? Hello.
2.
Not bad. You like it?
I don't like coconut.
Thing is, the dark chocolate kind of what throws it off of me a little bit. So what I'm gonna do
He's gonna take off all the milk, all the chocolate.
is remove the chocolate.
Welcome back
Close
to
enough.
peeling off dark chocolate off of a coconut shredding with Genesis and her father Jose.
Drum roll, please. I'm not too fond of chocolate. I like fruit candy. So we're gonna do these. Siete Bello. I think so. It's a 7 Bello.
Can I open now?
Yeah. Here you go. Here, you got 2. I got 2. Just by the cup. Damn.
It tasted like a Laffy Taffy.
These are good.
They're really hard.
I'm gonna keep the next one. I'm gonna keep this one in my pocket for later.
Thank you. Close your eyes.
What do we have over here?
Garoto Caliento.
What? Say that again?
Garroto caliento.
What? Let me see. Talento. It means talent. Garroto. Garroto. I don't know what that. But talento means talent. Recheado morango. Damn.
I don't know if you guys can
It's
see
like
it. There's
strawberry.
like strawberry in it.
This is one of those chocolate strawberry type thing. Whatever. But oh, hold on. Look. There's something inside.
Exactly, the strawberry.
No, but something crunchy. You don't feel that as you chew? Something crunchy inside of it. I see like these little things. They're like the
I
strawberry.
taste it now.
What do you think? Alright, not bad.
I rate this a
Okay.
6.
Really? I think that's a decent rating. You're like a 6.5.
Fanta, I'll rate it
I'll give it like an 8.5. Not bad.
The Oreos, I rate them a 7.
This is not even in the radar.
I'll rate that a negative 29.
That gets a negative for me. What are you doing?
And then these, Dad, what do you rate these? The first ones that we got.
Put these in my pocket too. What?
I'll probably rate these like a 5.
These are pretty good. Pede de mocha.
What is it?
Mocha.
Ew. I'm not trying to
I know you're probably not even gonna like it. I'm not even gonna like this. It's about to smell. It's like salty chocolate, peanuts, and stuff like that. Can we pass on that? You want to pass on it, or you want to try it? You can't try it. I mean, you can't.
Actually.
Really?
It has peanut butter.
Mm.
Ew, I don't like peanut butter. Look at my hand.
Yeah, look. I'm gonna try it. Look, I'm gonna try it.
I already tried it.
Yeah.
Done.
Move it along.
Check our body.
Check out
Next
what
one.
body.
I'll rate it a 2.
A 2. I'll give that a 1.
It feels squishy. Don't squish it so hard.
It's probably something chocolatey too.
Yeah.
So all they eat is chocolate over there in Brazil?
Right?
Wow. What is that?
I don't know. Ready?
What does it say in the bag? Let me see. The wrapper.
It's peanut butter.
Dulce de amendo. So it's like
You can
almond?
tell it's peanut butter. I hate the smell of peanut butter.
Almost look like a. It has like a. The texture
I have my
like
piece.
No, you gotta try it. You gotta try it. Take it here. Take this piece. Right here. Take this piece right here. Whatever. It has a. Well, you're not gonna know this, but it has like a protein texture, protein bar texture. Don't even say, "Oh yeah, you're right," because you don't even know. What
Oh yeah, you're right.
But yeah, it almost has like a
3,
protein
2,
texture.
1.
Hold on. Yeah, not bad. It's alright. Too much peanut butter though.
That's nasty. I call that nasty. I'm sorry. I rate that a 2.
This is a
Oh, corn chocolate. All of these are chocolate. Chocolate.
bananija.
Chocolate.
What is it? Bananija con chocolate. Whatever. It looks like a Tootsie Roll. At least the picture does. Looks like a Tootsie Roll.
Also, a Tootsie Roll.
Nah, I'm not even gonna. I don't even want to try it.
It looks like beef. Oh no.
It's too dark. Like
It looks like
Jesus.
beef jerky in the middle.
Brazil, come on, man. All you guys eat is chocolate?
Dark
Jesus,
chocolate.
let me get a Skittles. Now later or something. Starburst. Chocolate though? You tried it? Did you try it?
I tried the inside.
Oh.
The inside tastes like cranberries. So the next one is Pit Stop. Finally, something that's half English. It's Pit Stop Recheado.
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 I don't know what is that, so don't even ask me. Is it like a cracker? Wow.
It's peanut butter.
It's peanut butter too? Jesus, really?
It smells horrible.
Ooh. What is this? Beef jerky? You tried it? I mean, just the smell itself.
The inside tastes.
Alright.
Inside tastes like onion.
Can I just go by your judgment now that you try it?
At least take a lick of the inside.
Just a lick of the inside?
Here. It tasted horrible.
I'm done.
Okay. Well, I'm hoping the last one is good, and we all both know what the last one is.
We
And
waited
the
this
last
one for
We've been wanting this one, and it is ice cream. And I've tried one of these before, but not like the same exact thing. But I've tried something similar to this, where they're like ice cream gummies, and they tasted horrible. Smell it.
Smell
I'm gonna go with the blue one because
like a cotton candy type thing.
Oh my god, the like the ice cream part, it's like soft, but then like the actual like buffer is like.
It is like an ice cream because you got the cone and then you got the ice cream.
Ready? Let's take a lick of our ice cream. Cheers. I like the blue part. The blue part, it actually kind of has like a nice minty, fresh taste.
Not bad.
Try the green one.
Let's see. Not bad. I'm done with candy. My sugar level's like 0.
I'll probably rate it like a 5.
That's a decent.
I think the best one was like the Oreos, because those are the ones. The Oreos are like the ones that you're like, wow, those taste like really good. Or some where you're like, they're not bad. But the Fanta was really good.
Sure, yeah. Let's take it. Alright guys, so that kind of sums it all up.
I still taste the ruffles in my mouth.
But I did save these for later. Yeah.
What the heck?
Come on, baby. You put one in your pocket earlier. Did you forget? Alright guys, so I think, yeah.
So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Right.
But also, don't forget to check out Stein Co. I am going to be giving him a shout out because he's a really good supporter. The link will be in the description down below so you guys can get the latest fashion. The emoji of the day.
Candy. Obviously,
It's gonna be the candy emoji, so it'll be right here.
It'll be right here. Right here, like, you're a little kid candy. Alright, that's pretty much it. Alright, we gotta go.
That's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
What up? Peace.
Bye guys.